This is GroupE, demo the EE315 assignment. What we do is the cash register. First, these 10 switches are the number user input pressing from 0 to 9. This is the reset switch of the input price. When this switch is off and on, the 4 digits on the right hand side will be cleared and the price will be stored in memory. At the same time, the price will be added to the left hand side. These are the 4 confirm switches, and this is the reset of the 4 segment display. This is the start button and this is the change button. If I press the start button, the system will start. If I press the change button, the change will be shown on the left hand side. So next, I will take 1, 2, 3, 4 as an example. If I don't press the confirm button, I can change whatever number I want. This LED means that it enters in the finished state. If I switch this on, the number will be shown on the left hand side. Then I will add 315 to 1234. So this is the total number. What I will do next is to assume that the customer will input 3150, and if I press the change button, the change should be shown here. So this is the change. And that's all. That's all.